Have you ever stood in front of the mirror and thought, gosh, if only I could step up my game? We've all been there. I used to struggle with confidence and self-image too, but after some trial and error, I uncovered some game-changing secrets. In this video, I'm spilling the beans on how you can level up and become the most attractive version of yourself. Get ready, because this is going to be a game changer. No BS, just straight facts. Now, what does attractive mean? Is it really all about looks? Would you find a person attractive if they are rude? Attractive is so much more than only looks. So let's talk other than looks only. Keep hobbies and be passionate about them. You know, that fire in your belly that gets you excited to jump out of bed in the morning? Find something you're passionate about, whether it's painting, cooking, coding, or jamming out on an instrument. Find something that lights you up and makes you feel alive. Having something you're passionate about outside of work or school is key to living your best life. And having hobbies and being attractive actually makes you so much attractive. You've no idea. Then improve your style. I know you want to talk about looks, and yes, they do matter, but let's accept you can't do something significant overnight. Then what do you change? Dress well. Dressing to impress ain't just about looking good for other people. It's about feeling good for yourself. Find clothes that make you feel confident and comfortable and rock them with pride. A well-dressed person with an enchanting smile never goes out of style, so wear that as an additional accessory too. Next up, patience and kindness. In a world that's constantly on the go, taking a moment to slow down and show some love can make all the difference. Practice patience with yourself and others, and sprinkle some kindness wherever you go. Trust me, it's contagious. Next comes owning your body and loving it. Your body is your asset, and it deserves some care. Treat it with respect by nourishing it with good food, moving it in ways that feel good, and giving it plenty of rest. If you can't do gym, try doing some exercises at home. Go for a run, play some sport, do yoga, try cardio, whatever you like the best, but do it with consistency. Lastly, think about adopting a pet. Bringing a furry friend into your life can bring so much joy and companionship. Plus, it's a great way to practice responsibility and empathy. Whether you're a dog person, a cat person, or somewhere in between, there's a furry companion out there waiting for you to give them a forever home. Persons who own pets are seen more attractive according to a research. That's it. Make sure to like the video. Hit the subscribe button to keep those videos coming.